deep tech employee address and employee example. Okay, I think we created this to achieve auto increment or something, right? So now, okay, let's create a new table here. Okay, create table. Okay, employee image. Okay, create table employee image. So here, okay, I want to store employee ID, okay, as an integer. Okay, and which is also a primary key. I can make this as a primary key. Okay, and we need to create employee image, right? So here I can say e image. Okay, employee image. Okay, so as I already told you, what is the type of data, I mean, what is the data type for the images? I mean, when we are explaining the data types in SQL, we had a discussion on varchar and integer, right? So in that I told you about one particular data type. Did you remember? Blob. Okay, so blob is a data type in SQL where you can store the different types of files in the blob. Okay, blob. So let's create a table. Okay, table is created. Okay, let's see the description of the table. Okay, so description, yeah, employee image, right? Yes, employee image. And yes, we have an employee image. Okay, so eid is a integer, and where it is a primary key, and we have employee image. Okay, so yeah, we have to insert the images into the employee table. Okay, so to insert images, okay, to insert images, first we need a images, I mean, first we need a one perfect image, right? So let's save some images in our computer. Okay. Mm, so please give me some suggestions to download images, some images. Can I go with Iron Man? Mm, Tony Stark. Okay. So this is the image I want to store. Okay. Save image as. Uh, Actually, better to download only. I mean, JPG or PNG images. Web page images maybe. Okay, maybe we can't directly see the images. So that's why I want to see. I want to create only JPG type of images. Okay, JPG or PNG is enough. Mm, all these files are in, you know, WebP. Save images. Okay, this is also okay. Okay, we can do one thing. So we can save this image and we can do a screenshot. Mm, okay, this is the image that we downloaded. Okay, and let's use the snipping tool to crop the image. Okay, so actually we need a only JPG or PNG types of images. So that's why I'm cropping the image. If you crop the image, the extension will be PNG. Snipping tool. So by default, this snipping tool available in every Windows laptop. Okay, no need to download any external software to crop the image. Okay, so this is the image, and I want to save. Okay, save this as you know. In the desktop, I want to save this as Iron Man. Okay, Iron Man. Save it. Okay, we successfully saved the image. Okay, now okay, we want to insert this Iron Man image into the database. Okay, so this is the image of the Iron Man. Hmm, come on, come on. Okay, this is the image. Okay, so make sure when you are working with JDBC and basic MySQL. Okay, so make sure your file, okay, your file size would be less than 100 MB, sorry, 100 KB. So your file size, by default, your file size should be less than 100 KB. Actually it is 500 KB now, so you will definitely get an error. So that's why I want to reduce the size of the image. I mean, I can open this image in the paint. So in the paint we can resize the image. Okay, see, actually it is a 500 KB. Okay, I don't want 500 KB length image. Okay, so I just want to mention only 200. Okay, 200 pixel. Okay, this is what I want. Okay, so this is 97 KB. Okay, so if you want to decrease, you can decrease, but it's okay. 97 KB is okay. Okay, so we decreased the size of the image to work with the SQL. Okay, so now let's open the Spring tool suite. Okay, so let's create a new file. Click on the class. Okay, here we have to type on class name, which is demo on JDBC4. Okay, so fourth file, and click on the finish. Okay, demo on JDBC4. Okay, see here we have to use some stream readers. Okay, so in Java we have a file input stream. Okay, which is used to create a file. Okay, so we have to use the file input stream. Okay, and we need to do all the basic tasks that we have to do with, you know, SQL file, SQL.star. Now we have to, okay, what is the second step? Second step is all about what? What is the second step in JDBC program? Class dot
Class path.
per name. Here we have to pass something. What is something? What is the name of the driver? Hmm. Dot
com.mysql.pj.jdbc.driver.
dot JDBC. Sorry, cj.jdbc, right?
pj.c.
JDBC dot driver. Okay, so this is the thing we need to register. We need to load the driver and register the driver, and maybe it maybe raises some exception. So we have to throw some exception. Okay, throws exception. Okay. After throwing the exception, we need to connect, right? So I can connect by using, connection object. Connection con equal to, so which again, which class is providing the connection method to us? What is the class? In which class you can get the connection method other than Hindu? Which class, okay, is providing, okay, a connection method to connect with the database?
White manager.
Yeah, driver manager. Rahul, you are saying something. Get
No, sir.
connection is the method, na? So get connection is the method, and we have get connection method in the driver manager class. Okay, driver manager dot get connection. Here we have to pass the URL, username, and password. Okay, so I'm directly passing the URL here. Okay, I don't want to create any, external variables. Okay, JDBC colon MySQL colon, okay, localhost. What is the port number? 33.